All right, last time out, we took delivery of my 2022 FX LRS, or the Lowrider S for those of you that don't know. We also dealt with the battery, got the bike started, went for a ride on the Lowrider, even though that was completely sketchy. But now we're gonna start taking some of these body parts off so we can get them fixed or replaced, and also get these parts painted. But first, we're gonna go ahead and wash the bike because it is a little bit dirty. So let's get to it. That's always fun. Need like 7 more this year. It'll be all right. It's temporary. I might need to put them screws back, boy, because I don't like the way that's... Screw it. We'll send it. So I already sent the seat off to get reupholstered, so... yeah, let's try this. It doesn't say Harley. Well. Hey man, good enough, my boy. It's gonna work today. Probably ain't gonna do anything, but I put up the effort. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna go cover this up. Sounds like I don't have too much longer before the rain gets here, so I need to get it moving. This whole thing drops when you do that. All right. Okay. It's a 3/16. Aren't you glad that Harbor Freight always has my back? I am. Huh. It's stuck. I hate doing this. Yep, that got it. That got it really freaking close. I completely forgot this part. Gotta get this to the paint folks as well. All right, we got a lot done with the Lowrider S. It's been a few days. I took all of those body pieces off to the body shop. They look great. They've already been fixed. It's just a matter of getting the paint on. Yeah, I'm excited. They look brand new, I'll say that. We also got the crankshaft position sensor in, and we also got a replacement fork cap in. Those pieces will go on at some point, one, to stop the leak, and two, to replace that scuffed up fork cap. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about the bars just yet, or the risers. Some people said to change those out. I don't really know. I don't like them, but we'll see. Also, I still gotta take those engine guards off, but we'll handle that next time. So this is where we are with the Lowrider S. We're just waiting on paint, and I have those pieces back, but making a lot of progress. So we already done the first ride on it. We know the motor's, the engine's healthy. It's just a matter of buttoning everything back up and getting it certified to be legal back on the street. So stay tuned for that. But as always, thanks for listening to my story. And if you're subscribed, which I hope you are, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.